दुनिया बहुत खूबसूरत है और इस खूबसूरती को देखने के लिए यकीनन अल्लाह ताला ने हमें आँख जैसी खूबसूरत नियामत से नवाजा है। बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं जो घर से बाहर नहीं निकलते, लेकिन कुछ लोगों का कोई घर नहीं होता। कुछ लोग होश संभालते ही घर से निकल पड़ते हैं और उनका टारगेट और उनकी मंजिल होती है पूरी दुनिया देखना, लेकिन इंसान के पास ज़िंदगी बड़ी मुख्तसर होती है, वो पूरी दुनिया देख नहीं पाता। आज मैं आपकी मुलाकात करवाऊँगा एक ऐसे ही शख्स से जिन्होंने दुनिया को पूरी तरह से देखने की ठान रखी है। उनके पास एक मोटरसाइकिल है और अपनी शरीक हयात के साथ वो दुनिया भर में घूम चुके हैं और बताया ये जाता है कि 1,00,000 किलोमीटर इन्होंने अब तक सफ़र किया है और इस 1,00,000 किलोमीटर का फासला तय करने के लिए इनकी ज़िंदगी के 30 साल लगे हैं। अब ये इनकी ज़िंदगी कितनी खूबसूरत है और इनकी ज़िंदगी के 30 साल कितने खूबसूरती से गुजरे होंगे। यकीनन कभी इन्होंने सहरा देखे होंगे, कभी जंगल देखे होंगे और कभी देवहकल पहाड़ों का इन्होंने दीदार किया होगा और कई तहज़ीबें देखी होंगी, कई लोगों से मिले होंगे। इनके बारे में अभी गुल साहब के होटल में मौजूद हूँ और यहाँ से सिकरदू का नज़ारा भी बहुत खूब है। इन्होंने मुझे बताया कि ये 93 में पहली बार सिकरदू आए थे, तो आएँ इनसे आपकी मुलाकात करवाते हैं। हेलो, welcome to Skirdu and welcome to Skirdu TV as well. You are a legend and tell us about your journey in detail. Now I'm off camera, you are on camera.
I start from Italy, take a boat and arrive to Greece, across Greece and Turkey. After then I across all the Iran. I go to the principal town, but I have no before because in Iran I wait 3 times ago. Tabriz, Tehran, Isfahan, Kerman, Bam. Bam I have saw before the earthquake. After that it's changed a lot. Then I go to the border, Mirjavan, and across an entry in Pakistan border to Quetta. Quetta after 600 kilometers. I need a escort and they give with me till Rawalpindi. Quetta, there is my can and the other little village, then I don't remember. After that I arrived in Rawalpindi. I needed to ship my motorbike when I finished the journey, and then I know a lot of people then help me for this when I finish my journey. My objective was to have a trek in the Baltoro, but today I decided it's not possible because change the date and I have to return in Italy at the end of August, and it's impossible. But
you start your journey at that time. What was your age?
The first.
And what is your aim? What's actually your target is?
Now I start for my first journey in I have 20 years old because I have a girlfriend in Holland, in Europe, and then I beginning go in. After that, in the 85, I have my first alone journey alone in the North Africa, Tunis, Algeria, Morocco. After that, I send my motorbike in India the second time. I make Ladakh, Zanskar, and this north of India. In the 87, 88, across the South America, Peru, Bolivia, and Brazil. In the 90, I cross Alaska, Canada. 91, Islanda is an island in the north near the Groenlandia. In the 93, the first journey by road from Italy to Pakistan. I come with my friends. My friends go back from Islamabad. I went to Kunjara Pass. And the second time, in the 95, with my wife, start from India and go to the north of Pakistan, Chitral, and Kunjara Pass, Lahore, and go down. In the 97, this is the longest journey that I make by road to Nepal. Passing in Pakistan, then in the north of India and in Nepal. Nepal I make a journey of Annapurna, After that, the Khumbu Valley for see the Everest. Like that, I take my motorbike, return in New Delhi, and ship in my motorbike.
Great.
Yes,
Great.
this is the. But first time people, because I know a lot of people friendly, gentle, absolutely correct, hospitality at the top. This is for I'm journeying alone, but I find a lot of people very, very interesting. In the second time is the nature of the mountains. I like the mountains because near my house there are the Alps, and then I think the person like mountains, Pakistan is the top of the world for a lot of mountains. I see the Nanga Parbat with my wife to Rupal, and the other side to Fairy Meadows in 95. Then people and the nature in the special time, the mountains. That's it. The message is your reach that you have.
Why your wife is not with you in this journey?
Now I make with my motorbike till Dasu, because Ascole was the place when the start trekking. Then I have think 4 months ago. But today I realize it's impossible to make this journey because the date is not good. But I go and go back. I go to the Kunjara Pass 5 days ago, and this is finished now. 1 million.
1 million.
Because I have my motorbike, I finished with my motorbikes in 8,000, 90,000 kilometers. I have changed 10, 12 motorbike. I think 1 million. I drive only the Toyota Land Cruiser, but millions kilometers of in motorbike, yes. This 10,000. This journey. No, from Italy to here, 9,500. This is one. 3 years ago, 24,000 for Italy, Mongolia, and go back. Then
So you see a lot of countries, a lot of cultures, a lot of traditions, and a lot of landscape.
yes,
Do you know any language of any region, specifically in Pakistan?
yes, but it's very difficult because every people have their language and culture, but it's the curiosity for me to know a person different like my life, because my life I know all, but I'm interesting for the other. When you live, when you think, I said Ashura, and it's very interesting for me. Is my curiosity.
Thank you. Thank you. You are a strong man and continue your journey.
63
And
years old.
inspiration for us,
Yes.
because we also want to travel throughout the world, but impossible for us.
I work all my life because now I have 63 years. I began to work 20 years, but I study. I found a teacher in the school, but I work in the other. For 30 years I work hard. After that I can move in relax with my family at home. My wife have not a long holiday like me, the teacher. I have 2 months, my wife 2 weeks, and then I come here. My daughter, 123, the other 19, have their life study and now are in holiday.
Thank you sir. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
giving us time.
Thank you very much.
यकीनन जी दुनिया बहुत खूबसूरत है और इस खूबसूरत दुनिया की खूबसूरती देखने के लिए घर से निकलना पड़ता है। ये घर से निकले और 1 मिलियन किलोमीटर इन्होंने तय कर लिया है। यकीनन 1 बिलियन किलोमीटर बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। हम और आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में कितने किलोमीटर चलते हैं और कितना हम ट्रैवल करते हैं और कितनी दुनिया हम देख चुके हैं, ये सवाल मैं छोड़ कर जा रहा हूँ। और जो लोग दुनिया देखते हैं उनका दिमाग, उनका दिल बहुत ज़्यादा वसी होता है, क्योंकि दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है जिसे देखने के लिए कई ज़िंदगियाँ दरकार हैं। अपने मेज़बान मोहम्मद अली अंजुम और प्रोड्यूसर और डायरेक्टर न्यूज़ निशान मेहदी को इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़ नासिर।